Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys, as you can see on my screen, there is a very cool Batman live wallpaper set on my smartphone. So guys, if you want such wallpapers which are live, you can watch this video till end. So in this video I will show you how you can convert any GIF or any video into a live wallpaper. So we will be using an app called Wallpaper Engine. So guys, this app is also available on PC and laptops, but you will need to buy it from Steam. But for the smartphones it is free, and it is available on Play Store. So to make a video into a live wallpaper, you need to click on it, and as you can see, it has some very cool default wallpapers, as you can see here. Very cool. So let's go back and let me show you how you can add any video and convert it into a wallpaper. So you need to click on add here, and if you have Wallpaper Engine on your PC or laptop, you can click on pair with computer. Otherwise, just click on import file, and now from your phone you can select any video or GIF and convert it into a live wallpaper. So let me select any video like this one. So it's a video from Need for Speed Heat, and as you can see here, I have selected it. Now to make it a live wallpaper, just click on here, and now it has been applied as a wallpaper. So let me show you. So here, as you can see, it's now my wallpaper, and there's this cool car showing off and everything. So it's very easy, and if you want more, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.